guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cleaning out my son's room. We're gonna organize all of his clothes. We're gonna dust, declutter a little bit, make the bed, and we're actually just gonna clean the room a little bit, not too much, because we are about to do a spring cleaning series where the house will be thoroughly cleaned and decluttered from top to bottom, every nook, every cranny, every little crevice. We'll be doing that in our spring cleaning series, which is like my favorite time of the year to like really declutter and deep clean the house. So like I said, today we're gonna be going ahead and putting all of his clothes, all the laundry away. We've been doing the KonMari method style folding for I think about 6 or 7 weeks now, and we actually really enjoy it. We really like it. I think it makes it a lot easier to see what we have in the drawers. It's the only problem that I think I have with it is that my son isn't very good at folding in the KonMari style. So when he takes something out, because he likes to dress himself now, he can't really put it back the same way, but he tries. He actually does a good enough job, I think. So yeah, we're gonna stick to the KonMari style folding. We won't be doing too much decluttering. We won't be getting rid of a lot of stuff just yet. I think in order for me to start the spring cleaning series, I need to kind of tidy up the house so it doesn't look like such a mess before we start actually deep cleaning, decluttering. For some of you guys that don't know, I wound up in the hospital and I'm totally fine now. But I'm gonna post my next video on why I wound up in the hospital. It's gonna be titled "How Keto Almost Killed Me." Yeah, really interesting story, but I'm doing okay. I'm doing a lot better now. And so I had to take a few weeks off to kind of like recover and feel a lot better. And now I feel like I'm getting back to my normal self. We're waiting still on some blood work and things like that to make sure that, you know, my health is improving. So yeah, so finally back to cleaning and just like mom stuff, and I'm really excited about that. So first things first, I lined up all of my cleaning material. I have my Swiffer duster right here. I've got a little dusting mop, wet, dry thing. I don't know what it's called. I have my broom, my vacuum, and this Shark steam mop. I just bought this, and I absolutely love it, guys. You have no idea. I've got Method, I've got my glass cleaner, mop pad, and just so I got my baskets out here and tons of clothes that you guys don't see. It's over here. It's a hot mess express. We are going to throw everything back on the bed. I started trying to organize all of this stuff maybe like a few weeks ago, but I wasn't feeling really great. I still had a lot of pain, so we ended up just throwing everything on the floor foolishly.
I wish to be something special in the end. I wish to be so much better in the end. I wish to be.
Alright, we still got like shorts and stuff from last year, which I think we're gonna keep for now. We're gonna see if my son will still be able to fit into some of the stuff. What my son can't fit into, we end up having my daughter sleep in if it's comfortable enough for her. So, yes. Okay, so what do you guys do when it is time to spring clean? At my house, it gets like really crazy over here when it's time to spring clean. I go through every nook and cranny of the house. I wash all of the windows, outside, inside, bleach everything down. The furniture, we typically touch up the furniture when it's like time for spring cleaning too. Kind of if there are any nooks, you know, if there's any scratches on the furniture, that's when I touch it up. Is when I do spring cleaning. Also, I do a lot of like cleaning the mattresses, make sure that's all looking great. My son has really started to change his clothes so much, it's crazy. So you guys can see, I mean, everything's kind of been tucked up pretty well. Like I said, my son can't really fold everything just by himself just yet, but he's trying. So we are going to just do that and just refold these few shirts. I want to hear from you guys. What type of clean with me videos do you guys like to watch? Personally, my favorite are the ones that show the real life huge messes. It really makes me feel like I'm a human, like I'm a normal mom, like it's okay to have these messes sometimes. And it's also extra inspiring to see someone go from a super messy house to just like a very clean and organized environment, which who doesn't love that? I just reorganized the closet and took stuff out that no longer for my son, and swept out the floor and the basement.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, then you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious.
Wow, look how much junk is underneath the bed. There are tissues, there are socks, there's feathers from the pillows, there's tons of dust. It was actually really refreshing to clean it out, wipe down the space underneath it, and just know it's clean.
But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, then you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I
So here we are, everything is so much cleaner. All of the clothes are completely gone. Nightstand, everything is organized the way it's supposed to be. That is just, there's my tripod, oopsie daisy. And then the closet is clean and organized. Thanks for watching my clean with me. We just cleaned out my son's room. Thank you for watching this clean with me. Super grateful.